Welcome to tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth wireless hands-free with your laptop. So that's so easy to connect your wireless Bluetooth with your computer. So this is my wireless Bluetooth. So let's enable this. Now press your Bluetooth button, and now this is enabled. Now let's go to PC screen. So we already enable power on our Bluetooth. Now go to PC screen and now search for Bluetooth. So here is our Bluetooth. Now enable from here. So and now second method is, now go to search icon and search here Bluetooth. Now we found a Bluetooth and devices. Now enable your Bluetooth. Now enable and click on add Bluetooth and other devices. Now click on here and now select Bluetooth option. So now our device searching. This is our P47 audio hand-free wireless Bluetooth hand-free. Now connect this. So we successfully connect our Bluetooth with our computer. Done. Now so here you can see our Bluetooth is successfully connected with. So here you can see our Bluetooth wireless speaker is working. Here you can see listen a sound. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to connect your Bluetooth hand-free with your computer. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.